Yo, what's going on, guys? I am going to be showing you how to get the YouTube on the Nintendo Switch. It's actually pretty easy to do. I did it my first try, so I'm pretty sure that you guys can do this. I'm going to basically just start off from the beginning. So let me remove that. Let me remove that. So this is the main program that you are going to need. It's called the Fiddler. But like I said, I am going to go through everything with you. Okay, so and you are going to need a file to do this, which this is it right here. It is the Fiddler BrowseAnywhere.farx. So after you do that, but like I said, I'll put the link in the description for this. Alright, so let me just restart the whole app. Let me go to the Fiddler 4. Like I said, links in the description for everything that you're going to need. Alright, so then you want to go to Tools, and then you're going to want to go to the Telluric, I think that's how you pronounce it, Fiddler options, and then go to Connections, and then this is going to be unchecked. So you want to check that, and then you want to make sure that you uncheck this one. So just make sure it is exactly how it is. So you want to make sure it's the listens on port 8888, and you just press OK. And then after that, you will need to restart Fiddler because it also won't save the settings. So just open it back up. And then this is where this file comes into play. So what you do is you go to import, and then I have it on my desktop. So right here, the Fiddler Browse Anywhere, open it. And after you open it, you see it says this is basically when you go to connect to your internet on your Nintendo Switch, it'll pull up this right here, the contest.nintendo or nintendowifi.net. And then basically when the Nintendo Switch tries to go to this website, it's going to redirect you to google.com in this case. And there is one flaw about this. You want to go down here where it says the HTTPS, you want to delete the S. So you want to make sure you do that and then save it. And then as you can see, it changes, doesn't have the S anymore. And then after that, you want to enable the rules and also enable the unmatched request pass-through. So basically when I press this button, now whenever I try to go connect to the internet on my Nintendo Switch, it's going to redirect me to this. But there is one more step that you do have to do on the Nintendo Switch before this happens, so let me meet you there. The Wi-Fi network, and since I haven't changed anything yet, I'm just going to go to connect to this network, and as you can see, it's successfully connected, but I don't want that to happen. So what I want to do is go back to the internet settings and wait for it to pull up the networks again. Go to yours, and then you want to go to change settings. And after you do that, you want to scroll down to the proxy settings, and you do want to enable them. And then when you enable it, you want to change your server IP address to your computer's IP address. And how you figure that out, just go down to the bottom, type in it CMD for command prompt, and then you'll get this. Just type in IP config, and then you will get, let me find it. Then you want to look for the IPv4 address, which is right there, and then you want to put that in here, which I already did that. So it is the 192.168.0.18. It's going to be different for everybody. And then for the port, you just want to put 8888. And then you want to save. And then settings have been saved. And then now, whenever you go to connect to this network, registration is required to use this network. And then it'll load Google, since that's what we have it on there, you can redirect that to any website you want. You just got to make sure that you don't have the S. And then once you have this, I'm just going to type in YouTube. And then it pulls up this, and you just want to go to the first one, obviously, youtube.com. And as you can see, I'm on YouTube, and this is on my Switch. No foolery here. And then I'm just gonna go to a random video. Let's see here. I'm just gonna go to this one right here. I don't care. All right, and this is a little tricky. All right, so you want to move your cursor over to the full screen. It's glitchy since it's really not supposed to be here. So just go to full screen. As you can see, it does full screen it, and you see how it's in an advertisement right now. Well, you just gotta let it load. Nothing will happen, and you can see nothing. It's not playing yet. What you want to do is you kind of want to hover over, like wherever you want to start playing it at. So I'm just hovering it over right there. Then you press A, and then it'll start loading.
Samuel L. Jackson.
And this is a perfectly working web browser. So you can go back. Then you can go back again if you want to go back to the home page. And if you want to go back to Google. And then if you press B again after Google, then it just takes you right back to your searching for networks. So yeah, that is definitely how you, I mean, it works. It's not perfect. I hope they actually bring a web browser, but if you want to or use it right now, you can. And also, you can see it's redirecting a lot of stuff over here. And if you want to say, if you actually want to go back and play like online on your Switch, you just uncheck mark that box right there. So it's checked. You want to just uncheck it, and then when you go back to it, you try to connect to it. You can see it went through. I don't know why it's taking forever to connect to the internet. My internet's acting stupid right now. But yeah, I mean, that's how you do it. There it is, successfully connected. And then now you'll be able to go to everything else. And then if I check it again, just to show you, check, go right back to it, internet settings. And then my internet, connect to this internet, failed, and then it should take me to Google, which it did. So this isn't perfect, but I mean, if you do want to watch YouTube on your Switch, it works. Plex works, I know that. The only thing that I know does not work, Netflix and stuff like that. And on YouTube, don't try to sign in, or else it will just kind of kick you out. So you cannot sign in on YouTube, but you can at least watch the videos. So I mean, if this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Just let me know in the comments if you guys need any help. I will help you guys personally. So, yep, later.